I'll bet Julia Mead knows more beauty tricks than Cleopatra did.
Not that many, Snooky. Oh, wait a minute, Connie. Your shampoo is showing.
What, again? You know, my scalp's so dry.
Well, maybe you're using the wrong shampoo. Why don't you try Richard Hudnut Enriched Cream Shampoo? It's a special shampoo with real powdered eggs. An egg is a natural beautifier for hair. You see how shiny clean it gets my hair? And you won't be bothered with any of this. With Richard Hudnut, your hair will gleam. And after any shampoo, use Richard Hudnut Cream Rinse. Until you've tried Cream Rinse, you can't realize what a wonderful difference it makes. There are no more snarls or tangles to comb through. It conditions your hair and gives it a smooth, glossy finish. So try them both. Richard Hudnut Enriched Cream Shampoo and Richard Hudnut Cream Rinse.